Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talk Smart, easy English conversations for beginners. I'm Mr. Alex, your English teacher for today.
Hi, Mr. Alex. Hi, everyone. I'm Emma, and I'm excited to talk about my daily routine in English.
That's a great topic, Emma. Talking about your day is one of the most useful skills in English. Let's start from the morning. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. The first thing I do is check my phone for a few minutes. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth.
Nice. So your day starts at 7. After that, do you have breakfast?
Yes, I do. I usually eat eggs and toast for breakfast, and I drink a cup of tea. I don't like coffee very much in the morning.
Tea is a good choice. I also like to have tea sometimes. After breakfast, what do you do next?
After breakfast, I get ready for school. I put on my uniform, pack my bag, and leave the house around 8 o'clock. My school starts at 8:30.
Great. How long does it take you to get to school?
It takes me about 15 minutes by bus. I listen to music on the way, or sometimes review my notes.
That's a smart way to use your time. What do you do at school?
At school, I study many subjects. English, math, and science are my favorites. I also like chatting with my friends during the break.
That sounds fun. What time do your classes finish?
My classes finish at 2 o'clock. After that, I usually go home, eat lunch, and take a short nap.
A nap after school. That's nice. What happens in your afternoon?
In the afternoon, I do my homework and sometimes help my mom in the kitchen. Around 5 or 6, I like to go for a walk or play badminton with my friends.
That's a healthy habit. Do you use your phone or watch TV in the evening?
Yes, after dinner, I usually relax. I watch English videos or listen to music. It helps me learn English while having fun.
That's a great idea for our listeners, too. Watching or listening in English every day helps you learn faster. So, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10:30. Before sleeping, I read a few pages of a book or write about my day in a notebook.
That's perfect, Emma. Writing about your day is an excellent way to practice English.
Thanks, Mr. Alex. I think everyone should try it. Write about your routine, what you did, and how you felt.
Absolutely. Let's help our listeners review. Here's some useful phrases for talking about your daily routine. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I go to school. I eat lunch. I do my homework. I go to bed at 10.
Yes, try saying these sentences about your own day. You can even record yourself to practice pronunciation.
Good advice. And remember, the more you speak English, the easier it becomes.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Talk about your day, my daily routine in English.
See you next time for another easy English conversation.
Before we finish, Emma, let's talk a little more about routines, because everyone's day is a little different. For example, my day starts very early.
Really? What time do you wake up, Mr. Alex?
I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I like quiet mornings. I make a cup of coffee and read the news before I start work.
That sounds peaceful. Do you exercise in the morning too?
Yes, I do. I go for a short walk or do some stretching. It helps me feel fresh and ready for the day. Then I start teaching my online English classes at 8 o'clock.
That's cool. I think having a routine helps us stay organized and positive.
You're absolutely right. A daily routine gives structure to your day and helps you manage your time. Let's talk about weekends. What do you do on weekends, Emma?
On weekends, I like to relax. I wake up a bit later, maybe around 9 a.m. I clean my room, help my parents, and sometimes meet my friends.
That's nice. Do you do any hobbies or fun activities?
Yes, I love drawing and listening to English songs. Sometimes I watch movies with subtitles to improve my English.
That's a wonderful way to learn. You get to enjoy yourself while practicing English. I also like to spend my weekends outdoors, maybe visiting the park, reading a book, or meeting friends for coffee.
It's important to have a balance, study, work, and fun time.
Exactly. Balance is the key. Now, let's help our listeners describe their daily routine step by step.
Yes, everyone listening, try to repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I have breakfast.
I go to school or work.
I eat lunch in the afternoon.
I do my homework.
I watch TV or listen to music in the evening.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. You can also add words like then, after that, next, finally, to make your sentences longer.
For example, I wake up at 7, then I brush my teeth. After that, I eat breakfast. Finally, I go to school.
Excellent example, Emma. These linking words make your English sound smooth and natural.
Thank you, Mr. Alex. And to all our listeners, you can practice by writing or speaking about your own day. Just 1 or 2 minutes every day is enough.
That's true. Consistency is more important than perfection. If you talk about your day in English every day, your confidence will grow quickly.
I agree. Also, if you have a study partner, ask each other questions like, what time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do after school or work?
That's a great activity for learners. Practicing with a friend makes learning English fun and natural.
Yes, and it helps you remember new words too.
So, let's review some useful vocabulary from today's lesson. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to school, study, come home, do homework, have dinner, go to bed.
Try to use these words in full sentences when you speak.
Good idea. And here's a little challenge for our listeners. Tonight, before you go to bed, say your whole routine in English out loud. For example, I wake up at 7, I go to school, I do my homework, I have dinner, I go to bed.
That's a fun way to practice every day.
Yes, and you'll improve without even noticing.
Thank you so much for joining us today, everyone.
We hope this episode helps you talk about your day in English with confidence.
See you in the next episode of Talk Smart.
Goodbye, everyone, and don't forget to keep practicing every day.